Do you have two mobile phones and wish to use just one WhatsApp number on these phones? In this video, I'll be sharing how you can use one WhatsApp number on two mobile phones, even without WhatsApp web. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Before I get you started, we need two phones. One should be the primary phone, the other should be the secondary phone. On the secondary phone, remove the SIM card if you have one. Once the SIM card is removed, if you have WhatsApp on the secondary phone, you will have to uninstall it. If you don't have WhatsApp at all, it is okay, we'll be installing WhatsApp right away. So head to the respective store, be it Android or iPhone, head to the respective store to install WhatsApp. Once you've installed WhatsApp, open it, select your language. When you are prompted to input your phone number, don't input any phone number. Tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner and select Link a Device. Once you have selected that, you will see a QR code. Keep that mobile phone aside. Now head to the primary phone now. Launch WhatsApp on this phone. Tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Select Linked Devices. You'll be prompted to link a device. Once this appears, you'll be made to scan the QR code of the first phone we kept aside. Once you scan this QR code, these two phones are now connected. They are now linked. You can use WhatsApp on both phones. The good news is, whether you have internet connection or not, this WhatsApp will still function properly. If you want to use WhatsApp on your laptop, this is the way to go. Simply link your WhatsApp from your phone to your laptop, and you can use WhatsApp on your laptop as well. In this way, you enjoy a larger screen and a larger keyboard. I've made a well-detailed video about how you can use WhatsApp on your laptop. I'll be linking it in the description box below. If you are interested, do check it out. This is how you can use one WhatsApp on two different phones. Would you be trying this out? If you do, let me know how it goes. I will see you on my next one. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.